Pogi na. Aray ko. Galing. Yun. Good morning, mga gajin. Hey. Gising na pala ako. So, mga gajin, welcome to another vlog. So, ano bang gagawin natin ngayon? Okay naman. Obrante tata. Baby. Bossing. Ayaw, mag-reply. Nandun nagluluto yun. So, mga gajin, we're gonna do cardio first. Fasted cardio. Ibig sabihin ng fasted cardio, mga gajin, walang laman yung tiyan. So, ano ba yung difference kapag nagka-cardio kayo na may laman yung tiyan tsaka wala? Ganun din. Some people prefer fasted, walang laman yung tiyan kasi mas magaan. Kung ang kinakain nyo, sobra-sobra pa din, kahit nagka-cardio kayo ng fasted, if you are not on a deficit, you will not lose weight. Ikaw, Janay.
Mas nagbo-burn ka daw ng fat kapag walang naman yung tiyan mo eh.
Well, that's true. But again, you can't outwork a bad nutrition. So, magmamatter pa rin naman yung nutrition nyo dyan. So, if you're eating too much, you're not gonna lose weight. Okay? So, yon, magka-cardio tayo. And then, dalusa. Gaya, sabi ko, maglilinis pala ako ng bahay ngayon. Dumi eh. So, unang gagawin natin, mga kasin, babangon, tumaki. Makataki ako. Natatay na ako. I'll see you in a bit. Mga kasin, this is what Joanne is eating. See, mga kasin, kahit siya, ang kinakain niya, parang ako na rin to. You like your eggs, my love?
Yes, I made it myself.
And then mga kasin, pinagluto ako kasin. Kasin, binugbog. Hindi, joking. How many grams is this, boss? Egg whites? 200 grams of egg whites. And then we got sourdough and another sourdough. So this is 75 grams total. So yan yung breakfast natin, mga kasin. Tapos mga kasin, pinalagyan ko lang ng ito mamaya, palaman. Yan, kita mo yan? It's light cream pie. Ayoko! Cream cheese. Yung cream pie, dessert. So, mga kasin, dito ako nagpa-fasted cardio. So, what I'm gonna do, mga kasin, turn on lang alangan. Tapos, mga kasin, manonood lang ako ng TV. Gusto mo magka-TV. Kaso, stage 4. Okay na, iba pala yun. Sakit pala yun eh. Wait lang, para ba kupit dito. Huwag kang aalis. Ito yung routine, mga kasin. So, this is what I do. I do an hour of cardio in the morning. Tapos, after neto, kakain ako. And then, mag-work muna ako. I still have to do some work on my computer. Kasi mga clients din naman tayo, but it's Sunday. So, puro online halos lahat mga clients natin. So, currently mga kasin, I'm managing 30 plus clients. Okay? Na ako yung nagmamanage online. And then I do have 24 clients in person. Ang yabang ko! So, yun. God is good. God is good kasi... Mga kasi hindi ko rin deserve to eh. Alam niyo yun, like I really work hard for this but... Ewan ko ba? Basta, ang hiningi ko kay Lord, malunggay pandesal, ang binigay niya, empanada, o diba? So yeah, you just gotta put your effort in kasi makikita naman ng Panginoon yun. And at the same time, be consistent. Ang consistency mga kasi hindi siya ganun, no? Hindi yan linear. Ang consistency kasi mga ganyan yun. So minsan babagsak ka, tapos tatayo ka ulit. So ganun, just keep doing what you're doing as long as nagbabayad ka ng utang. Keep doing what you're doing as long as hindi ka nangaapak ng ibang tao kahit mukha silang paa. Diba? Yun. So again, I'm gonna do an hour of cardio. I'm gonna do some work. I'm gonna eat. Maglilinis ako. Tapos magkikita tayo dun sa gym. O payag ka daw. Ikaw si The Flash. Kaso mahika ka. Tapos yun ang angkit kasi ang barako. Nagsarot ako Okay, goodbye. I'll see you guys there. Ay, sige. Ganito pala mag-cardio Dapat ganito. Yan. Sige na, bading. Sige na.
Bading ka ba?
Alright mga guys, so before tayo pupunta ng prepare ko muna yung pre-workout natin. So syempre, favorite, saging. Bakit saging? Because monkeys don't cramps. Para di kayo mag-cramps. So, and also it's a good carb. Ilalagay ko yan mamaya sa cream of rice ko. Mamaya, kasi inuubusan ako. I'm gonna buy new one. So meron tayong glycerol. Para saan naman yung kots? blood flow. Pump yan. Tapos meron tayong creatine. Para sa naman yung creatine cause? It's just for your energy. Yung ATP na tinatawag. So, adenosine triphosphate. So, i-explain ko ba? Ayoko! Okay, it doesn't matter if you're lifting or not. So, do you need creatine? It's good to have. Kasi ganito yan. You need to eat maybe 2.2. Parang, basta mag-search nga kayo. Palusot no kasi hindi ko matandaan kung ilan. Basta I think you need to eat a pound of steak for you to get 5 grams of creatine. Alam niyo kung ilan yung 5 grams of creatine? And you need creatine in your body. You know, yan yung 5 grams. Okay? 5 gramo, pero hindi ito pinupoil. Sinasabi ko sa iyo, tuntado. Tapos meron din tayong caffeine. So ano ba yung caffeine cause? It's a stimulant. So it doesn't give you energy directly. Ang ginagawa nun, you feel energized. Alam niyo yung sinasabi nilang alam mo kasi pagpagod ka sa maling tao.
Aray ko!
Ay, wait, nasa tamang tao ako Nasa tamang tao pala ako. Tado, yon. So, yeah, it doesn't give you energy, it makes you feel energized. Kasi parehas sila ng, nagmamagaling na naman ako. Masyado nang malalim. Pero kasi yung receptors ng, if I'm not mistaken, it's adenosine receptors. Yon. Parehas kasi sila ng, parang similar like yung structure. So, kumbaga, ito yon, di ba? Wait nga lang, wait lang ha. Search ko. Asa yung cellphone ko? Okay, tama ako. Adenosine receptors. So, yung adenosine receptors kasi, di ba adenosine receptors? Adenosine, tapos caffeine. Similar like sila ng structure. So, ang ginagawa, kapag ito nag-bind sa receptors, aantukin ka. So, ang ginagawa ng caffeine, since similar like sila, okay? Similar na, like pa. Ang tanong, gusto ka ba niya? Like ka ba niya? Ang dami kong patalastas, boy. So, yun. Papasok yan, hindi makakapasok si adenosine, kaya you feel awake. Ang galing ko, Scholar Yarn, you don't have to take this too much. So, ang kukunin mo, yung 1 scoop lang. Hindi pwede yung sobra mga kashin. Lahat ng sobra, masama. O, tignan mo, mali pa, kantado. Meron tayong creatine. So, creatine, I always take 10 grams. So, 5 grams lang ang kailangan nyo, but I just do 10 grams. Okay. Yan. And then, after no, maglalagay tayo ng konting glycerol. Yun. And yun. Ayun mga kashin. So, yun yung pre-workout natin. Of course, I'm gonna add some water. Hindi nyo kailangan gayaan yung ginagawa ko. Do you need this? No, you don't need it. Okay? For me, do I need it? Yes. Bakit naman? Bakit ba? Papakailamero nyo, biyangot. Tado. Hindi. Kailangan ko to kasi right now, I have a low energy kasi naka-deficit ako mga kashin. So kapag mababa kasi yung energy levels mo, I need something to help me boost my energy so that I feel energized and then I eat some carbs later para talagang paldong-paldo ako. Ganun. And then, meron din tayo mga multivitamins. Okay, bingo tayo mga kashin. Okay, sa letrang B. Bading.
Bading ka!
Wait, sorry. Bottoms up. Ayun. O sige na, kita-kita na lang tayo dun sa gym. Tantado. So, tinext ko yung mga client ko, dalawa sila. So, makikilala nyo ulit. Kasama ulit si Joshua. Tapos, may bago tayong i-unlock na karakter. So, bago lang siya sa akin. So, pangalan niya is Kyle. You'll meet him later. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin yun, instead na legs. Legs kasi tayo last time eh. Ano na lang, back tayo ngayon para matutunan nyo paano mag-back shots. Ay, ng back day. Basta yun. Alright, mga kashin. So, I'm here with Dr. Kate. We're gonna do some needling. Kulam, mga kashin. Kukulamin ako. So, kulam is like a witchcraft, right? Like, you know the doll?
That's what you just said?
Yeah. She's gonna do that to me. Look how mean she is. I'm kidding, guys. So, doctor, I need help with my rotator cuff, right?
Yeah.
So, what are we doing today with
Today,
this?
rotator cuff, traps, okay, a little bit of lats,
Okay.
okay, we're gonna stim you, kneel you, maybe shockwave you, we'll adjust you, we'll do all the things.
Yeah, those ones aren't fun, but we gotta do what we gotta do. All right, so I'm gonna lay on the table and She's gonna do all the work. All right, so I'm gonna lay here now.
Hold on, we're just gonna see. Let's see how tight this is. Ear to shoulder, please. Any headaches?
Okay.
Okay, give me this arm up over your head. Any pain there?
I don't know if it's pain. It's more
Just
of
feel
like,
it?
yeah, I just feel it. Like if I lift this one, I feel
Yeah.
like something. It's like,
Yeah, up here.
yeah.
Okay, put this on your back. How's that?
And this is okay.
Fist,
But I can feel like a tension on my biceps too, and haven't done
Oh.
biceps yet.
fist. Hold it, hold
Okay.
it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
Okay.
That's okay?
Yeah,
Okay, 90 degrees. How's that?
it's okay.
Okay, crank this back.
Yeah, I feel a tightness over here. I don't usually feel it on my right. Let's do this.
Face down.
Okay.
We got this.
Oh, this is cold. Ooh.
Oh,
Okay.
you're about to be sweaty, so I don't feel too bad.
Yung mga kashin, so as you can see, my back is like, the muscles, they twitch.
They will twitch.
So what is this for again, doctor?
Okay, IMS, we're gonna stim these needles, okay? These guys are tight. Also, especially with the rotator cuff, you're
Yeah.
gonna have a little bit of inflammation, right? You're doing overhead press. You're doing a lot of overhead press. You're doing a lot of pressing, okay? A lot of pulling. These tendons, they need some blood flow, all right? So I'm not drawing blood with these, but we're definitely gonna bring some blood flow to the area, okay?
Oh, there you go.
There we go.
Okay.
Feel that?
Whoa, 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 whoa. There you go. Whoa, it has its own decision in life. My muscles. Thank you, doc, for this one.
You're welcome.
So if you need fixing, just go.
Or
to her.
maintenance.
Or maintenance, go to her. All right. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna hit back without shrugs. So mga kasin, titignan nyo, nakita nyo yan, ha? So dito mga kasin, we do blood work. So kaya mas ano kami sa mga health na ganyan. Dito, chinecheck lahat ng markers, hindi lang kung ano-ano yung mga tinitake nyo. Kung ang tinitake nyo, oo. Pag sinabi, eto, itake mo to, para saan yan? Para sa akin. Ay! Iba! Iba pala yun. O nakita nyo yan? Nakita itong dalawang to? Yan. Yan ang tinatawag na straps, okay? Padding. Tingnan mo ginagawa, oh. Sweet nyo naman, boy.
Bro, man.
The reason why you're using lifting straps, mga kasing, kapag nagbabak kayo, kasi we're removing the forearm from the equation. Kasi minsan kapag nagbabak kayo, ang mas naunang napapagod yung forearms natin. Eh coach, gusto ko lumaki yung forearms ko eh. Palagi ka nga nagtitikol eh. Tantado, lol. If you wanna grow your forearms, you gotta train your forearms. Ganun yun. Training of specificity. Okay? So, since back ang target namin, back ang ititrain namin. Boss Joshua, ikaw mauna. So, ang warm-up ni Boss Joshua, 5 plato agad. Ng kanin. Ng kanin. 5 plato ng kanin. Okay, angat. Ayun. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Nadadala. Okay, pupul mo, boss. Your elbows, you gotta drive your elbows to the ceiling. Doon. Okay, drive it. Yun. Kasi upper back bias to. So, yun. Huwag masyadong bagalan. Tapos, pag pababa naman, dapat na i-stretch konti dito. Tapos, angat. Yan. Full range of motion. Good. Stretch ang konti. And then pull. Good. Isipin nyo kasi may dito. May lapis dito. Dapat iniipit nyo. Hindi dapat slow ha, dapat controlled siya. Tapos yung chest dapat, bossing, umaangat siya. Pag hinatak mo, di ba? Umaangat. Ganyan. Take your time. Hold mo lang konti sa taas, hold lang konti. Yon. So you're just warming up. So kapag nagwa-warm up ka, kahit yung repetitions mo, mas marami, like 10 to 15 reps, that's pretty good. Siya na, bagong karakter. Ang salang. Same concept din yan, ha? Okay, sige. Angat. Ay, sorry. Sarap naman, no? Good. Ngayon yung breathing pattern, mga kasina. So from here, you're gonna breathe in. And then you exhale. Importante yung breathing kasi kapag di ka humihinga, namono ka isda. Di ka naman si Poseidon eh. Good. Bakit naman ganun yung breathing, mga kasina mo? Kasi kapag nag-i-inhale ka, dun ka magko-contract, di ba? Doon ka magte-tense up. Pero kung nag-exhale ka man, doon ka magre-relax. Isa sa pinaka-hardest na part sa pag-execute ng kasi is yung paghatak. Alam na mag-relax ka pag humatak ka, di ba? And last one. Good work. All right. In order for your muscles to grow, dapat may tinatawag tayong progressive overload. Kasi kapag palaging same weight yung binubuhat nyo, hindi magbabago yung katawan nyo. Okay? Kasi kailangan mo ng adaptation. Kasi yung muscles mo, kahit naman di nga rin muscles eh. Ikaw ba nung nag-aral ka, para matuto ka sa buhay, kailangan mo ng stress. Kaya ni-stress ko tong mga to. Stress na ba kayo?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa daw. So, dapat you train close to failure. I-push mo yung sarili mo para mag-grow ka. Not just on the muscle part, but just for everything. You gotta push yourself outside your comfort zone. Okay, mga kashi. Next exercise would be lat. Okay, kasi lats pa nga nandito, latissimus dorsi. So, next exercise, mga kashi, is lat pull out. Ay, pull down, lat pull down. Sorry, sir, I'm in your way. I'm in your way. Sorry. Yeah, this is oh. Oh, kita mo yon? That was really manly, brother. Yung bar, papunta sa upper clavicle. Okay? Baba. Yun. Oh. Hatak pa dito, boy. Hatak ka pa dito sa right. Yan. Di kasi pantay. And good work. So, ito yung tinatawag na lat pull down. This is for your lats. Ito para maging mas wider ka naman. Yung kanina, for you to become thick. Para lumapad ka.
Bading! Bading!
Sorry. Hi, Barbie! Oh. Yun! Oh, good. Kontrolin mo. Both paghatak tsaka pabalik. Kontrolin mo. Good. Hindi yung banat di banat. Yan. Good. Good work. Yun. So, ganon ang maglat. Pull down. Next naman na exercise. Alright mga kashi, next exercise would be seated row. Diba kanina, upper back yan, aamin na yan. Ano aaminin mo?
Coach, thank you.
Pasasalamat lang pala. Okay lang. Alright mga kashi, next naman, na gagawin nila is unilateral. Para saan naman yung coach? So, iisa-isa. Ha? So, isa dito, right muna, tapos kaliwa. Bakit? To strengthen muscle imbalance, para maayos yun. Natin ha. Okay. Tapos yan, yung kamay niya dito, this is to stabilize himself para mas stable siya. Tapos i-tilt mo pababa yung katawan mo konti. Ganyan. Tapos i-drive mo to papunta dun. Yun. Mag-lean back ka ng konti, boy. Yun. Oh, good. So unilateral to ha, hindi bilateral. And angas. Alright mga kasin, so this is your last exercise. Okay mga kasin, si Joshua, ilang buwan ka na ba sa akin?
Wala pa.
Ibig sabihin nun mga kasin, hindi niya kailangan ng 5 or 3 na bicep exercise. Ang kailangan niya lang, since pinapractice pa lang kasi namin yung movement. Hindi pa kami dun sa tawag dito, patay kung patay. Darating ba tayo dun? Oo. Siya may sabi, hindi ako Oh. Touch move ba? Touch move yun. So kaya, pinapractice lang muna namin yung movement. Kasi, kunwari, like last time, what we did, sobrang sore na niya. So, ang soreness mga kasin, hindi yan indication na, tama yung ginawa ko. No. Soreness mga kasin is an indication that you did too much or too less. Kapag baguhan ka pa lang, wag yung soreness yung habulin mo. Ang habulin mo, yung tamang paraan kung paano buhatin yung sarili mong bangko. Ay, yung sarili, yung weight.
Wait.
Oh, sabi sa inyo sabi sa inyo, benching ko lang yan ha, benching ko lang yan, ayaw maangat. Alright, so, yan. So, movement. No, you're good. You're gonna be on my next video then. No. Good work, boy. Take your time. Huwag masyadong bagalan. Curl. Good. Alright, so take your time, ha? Yep. Okay. And up. Good. Good work. Nice. Kontrolin lang. Yan. Hindi sobrang bagal. Yan. Up, baba mo. Good. Yan. Cool. That's good. Oh, that's good. Alright, mga kasin. So, yun yung training namin. Meron pa silang 2 sets. They will finish it and then they will do their cardio, which is 2 business days yung cardio nyo, ha? O, buo kayo, ha?
Yeah.
We're just doing post-cardio after. And then, mga kasin, ako naman yung mag-workout. So, yun. Sana may mga natutunan kayong hindi katarantaduhan, hindi kalokohan. Yun mga kasin, that's gonna be the end of the vlog right now. So, I'll see you again next time. So, next naman, mag-chest naman tayo para magkaroon tayo ng cleavage. Alright mga kasin, so, paalam na kayo. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam! Okay, bye!